Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we will be looking, so many people have been asking me how I've been placing my trades in my live trading sessions and how I've been making money with it. So we'll be looking at it, how I was able to make a lot of money trading spikes. Okay, that is what we will be looking at today, how I made a lot of money trading spikes. I did that sometimes ago, trading live and direct, and this morning something happened. I placed an order the early part of today, and right now I closed it just right now, and you're going to see how it all happened. Okay, so watch this video to the end so that you will understand the way it goes. Okay, so before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab a few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you go live with any one of them. Okay, it is important you do so. Okay, do not practice with your real account, practice with your demo account, perfect your skill, and go live with it. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also quickly, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's head on to the trading platform to see what is happening there. Okay, so let's check it out together. Okay, before going fully into that, let's quickly do some quick market analysis so that we will understand the way the market is moving today. Okay, right now this is boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator here. Presently the market is on downtrend here, but it's been on uptrend for a while. You can see this series of spikes that occur here. So after getting to this resistance level, it started coming down, and it's still on downtrend. So if you must trade carefully, make sure you follow the instruction given to you with alongside with the indicator you are using. Okay, so that you can be able to use it in the right way. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. I'm using the crusher indicator for this. Okay, for the crusher indicator, it shows that crash 1000 is on downtrend. You can see that they are all rates at this particular time, but if you should check it out, it's been on uptrend also in the morning, very early in the morning. So you can see this, we got a buy signal here, but we got confirmed here, and you can trade to this level. That is about 15-minute candles. Let's check out what is happening with boom 500 so that you guys will know what you should look out for. Of course, I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. If I were you, I'm going to jump into this because the trend is just starting. The downtrend is just starting, and I'll check it out. I think I'm going to place an order here, but that will be after this video. We got a sales order here, and the downtrend is going right now, and it's going to go for long till we have the uptrend showing up. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 500. I'm using the NT indicator with this. It is on uptrend at the moment. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see it, it's been going up. Okay, but trying to reverse a bit around this resistance level. Okay, if it is able to break this resistance level, then it should get to this level before it's reversed totally. But if it is not, then we should expect it to go back on a downtrend, but that means it will have to break this support level before it will go back on the downtrend. So that is the way it works. Okay, but I will be stopping here with my analysis. Let's move on into what we have for today, which is how I made a lot of money trading spikes. Okay, so that is what we'll be looking at today. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Okay, so let's go into the market to see see how we can achieve this. That is what we'll be doing right now, and we'll be using this QDC scraper indicator. You can see based on this analysis, like I have always been telling you, all these assets are trend trading assets. So if you are very sure of the trend, or you have something that can tell you the exact trend of the market, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. And even if there are going to be lapses, it's just going to be a little one which you can easily control. So that is what this QDC scraper indicator is doing here. Okay, it gave us a downtrend arrow here telling us to get ready. So I marked it just to let you know that I'm getting ready around here. But this is where I entered when I got this sell signal, and already I've gotten 2 arrows showing already. So when I got the sell signal, I placed my order immediately. Not quite long from there, it started crashing. Okay, because I'm having enough trading capital and I'm using a reasonable lot size that is cool enough for my capital. I left it open. It started crashing and crashing and crashing. This is where I closed my trade, just the way you are seeing it right now on the screen. If you can see it very well, let me highlight it so that you will be able to see it very. This is where I closed my trade. I closed my trade because I saw an uptrend here, uptrend arrow, which means that the markets will be going on uptrend very soon. So I had to close my trade at this particular point, and when I closed it, it gave me a lot of profit. Check it out, coming in from here and closing your trade here, being in the market for a very long time, trading spikes in crash is amazing. Okay, so you guys can do this. The indicator I have used that made it very easy for me to analyze the market effectively was QDC scraper indicator, and so many of my students have also been using this. Okay, so you can if you're having this with you, you can set it up on your demo account, practice what I have just explained in this video. If you are not getting it fully, you can watch this video over and over again just for you to get it. And once you have gotten it right, practice it and perfect it first before you try it out on your real account. And if you have any question at all, remember you can always reach out to me on WhatsApp, send message to me, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, I will be dropping all this in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just hit on the subscription button and also hit on the click the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.